Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can change the username of your PC in your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. First of all, you have to click on this Windows icon. As you can see, my PC's username is Blaze. So now I want to change it. For this, you have to search here for the control panel and then click on Open. Once you have opened the control panel, a window like this will appear in front of you. First of all, make sure the view is set to the category. After that, under the User Accounts option, you will see an option named Change Account Type. Just click on it. As you can see, currently I have only one user account on my Windows 11 operating system, which is named Blaze. Now I want to change it. I will just click on it. When you click on it, here, you will see some options. The first option is Change the Account Name. I will just click on it. Here it is asking for the new account name. You can write here whatever you want. I will write here Cypher, and then click on the Change Name option. As you can see, my PC's username is changed from Blaze to Cypher. But when I click on this Windows icon, still my PC's name is Blaze? So to change this here, you need to once sign out of your account and then log into your account again. Once you do that, you will be able to see that this account name will be changed. Let me sign out. Once I am signed out, and in again, I click on this Windows icon. And yes, you can see, my PC's username has been changed from Blaze to Cypher. Let me verify it from the control panel. When I open the control panel, you can see, here also my username has been changed. So in this video, we learned how to change the username of an account in Windows 11 operating system. That's it for today's video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just comment below. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.